Back with another sneaker unboxing, and this is for, as you guys can see, what we got going on here. We got the Jetsons and the Flintstones, but this is actually just based on the Flintstones. However, the packaging is co-branded with Jetsons and Flintstones. As you guys can see, we have George and Elroy and all those other people, and then I think just Dino was his name, I don't know, but the packaging is really cool for this. I'll try to show it off here, but I also have some B-roll that I can throw up if this doesn't work out. So one half is Jetsons, like you can see on the top, and then it's just the side view, then the back view, and then swap over to the other side, and the other side is the Flintstones. So you got the Flintstones here, a side view. That's, just the top down. You can see the dino sitting back there. And then we have the front view, all their beautiful faces. So that's what's going on. I love the packaging for this. I feel like that's usually the case for the Reebok collaborations, which people sleep on Reebok in general, especially their collaborations. I saw some people just hating on it, but I really liked this sneaker at least. I know I did a video, if you guys watched it, you know my opinion, but I thought they had some really cool concepts that they tried to integrate with the shoes, but in my opinion, this was the only one that kind of like really hit. But I also want to shout out the Reebok Ghostbusters collaboration that they had. They recently re-released the Ghost Stompers, I think it's called. I got those, did a video of them. You can find that unboxing up on the channel somewhere, but the packaging for that was also really cool. Came in this like Ghostbusters caution style box. Like I think it was done up like one of those boxes that they store the ghosts in. So that was cool. Always a nice little presentation going on along with the shoes, rather than just having it in some like red Reebok box that I think it usually comes in. But yeah, also another cool little touch. Elroy over here has a little Reebok cap. Other than that, I didn't see any other Reebok like details, Easter eggs, if you will, tossed in. But yeah, pretty cool. Anyway, moving forward, these are the Reebok Zig Kinetica, I don't know, something like that. And these are the two. And I think they also have they have Edge on the name. I don't know, just look in the title and that's what they are. But these are the shoes. Like I said, these are my favorite. They're modeled after the dinosaur from the Flintstones. So that purple dino we had going on, you can see him there up on the top of the box. Hopefully that's in frame anyway. But yeah, I think these are really cool. And some of the other shoes had a ton of stuff going on for the actual like elements that they pulled from the source material, whether that be the Jetsons or the Flintstones. Like some of them would have like actual like bones and things like that, or like pearls like from the lady's necklace. This one, like, yes, it does have some dino hide stuff going on the tongue, and we have the like pinkish color. We have some leathers used, but I feel like it's not done to a level where it's corny. I feel like this is also something that you could really see Reebok releasing, or any brand releasing, just kind of a cool colorway in this style. So I was happy to see that, and I think the extra kind of like inspo behind it just creates a cool little story. And they do have awesome soles or like inserts that go with it as well. Not the easiest to see, but this one's like a tongue, and then this other one is a snake and some eggs and some food. So pretty dope. And once again, I feel like this is the case with a lot of the Reebok collaborations. Like, once again, go back and watch that Ghostbusters unboxing that I did, and there's just a lot of like small cool details that went into it. Whereas you see some brands collaborating, and this sneaker really just looks like a colorway. It could have been like any random colorway. Like some of the stuff that comes to mind is the Game of Thrones Adidas stuff, which they'd have the like Night King shoe or whatever, and it was literally just like a light blue NMD, I think, and that was pretty much all the thought that they put in. Here you have, the colors match. Yes, we've got some like embroidery that doesn't it doesn't break you out of the design, but adds like a nice little touch to it. And then you also have like the suede that goes into the Flintstones, kind of like they're wearing animal hides and things like that, and then the colors are just really killing it. Just, man, these are so dope. I really like these. These are trail hiking or like trail running or hiking shoes, I believe. You can tell a very aggressive bottom, a lot of traction going on there. They're a little bit higher up, keep you out of the water, I guess. Like you look at the sole and there's like beef there. There's a whole lot of sole going on in the back. I did wear them. I tried them on for a little bit. I haven't really gone hiking or like used them other than just trying them on and getting a little on foot footage for you guys to show off. But they did feel comfortable. One thing I will say as far as sizing goes, you could probably size up like half size and probably be fine. They're a little bit tight on the toes, and instead of having laces or I don't know, they have this like draw cord, which I don't think counts as laces, maybe whatever, I don't know. Instead of the traditional laces, I'll say, just to cover myself, they have this draw cord, and like I pretty much had to max it out with giving myself space to fit my feet in, and once doing that, it is comfortable, but with like what it came as, it was super tight. So I don't know, I think sizing up would have helped with that a little bit, and then for kind of like the room in your toes, then I think that would have also kind of done the trick going that route. So really cool shoes in my opinion. I like them. They feel comfy, especially after loosening it up. If you guys see this little Vibram, I'm not sure how to pronounce it, but if you see that little logo going on there and you're wondering, hey, what is that? This is the like technology or the maker, the material for the rubber that's going on in the sole, and then you also have it going up on the toe and then up the back of your foot on your heel. And that's all I've really got. I think these are really cool. Really happy that I got them. As far as the rest of the collaboration, I think everything is in stock. Sizes are probably out on a lot of the shoes, but everything besides this is still in stock. These went pretty quick. I think these were sold out the day of their release, maybe sometime within the early access release, because they do have, I think Reebok Unlocked is what the little membership like mailing list club is that you join, and then they do give you early access to releases with collaborations and things like that. So this was one of the early access releases for Reebok Unlocked. So I snuck in right when they released, caught my pair, and man, I'm really stoked. I'm stoked with these. These are so cool. I love the suede, the little like detailing that got going on, the browns that work in there, and then this loud like pinkish magenta just really works and ties in really well. So I think it's cool. I did watch the Flintstones when I was younger quite a bit. I watched the Jetsons a little bit on Boomerang, I think it was, but definitely more of a Flintstones guy myself. They even had that live action one with John Goodman and some other people. But that's all I got for you guys. As always, thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.